Morning, boys and girls. Really nice to be able to do some singing with you this morning. Got a song this morning that I think we were introduced to, but we haven't really done together. I've got one that I know you know very well, and one that we'll be doing today as a prayer and a song. We've also got a guest musician with us during our assembly today, and we'll also have a song that we started during our last singing, which so many of you have told me you liked, so I've included it again today as well. So one that we haven't sung for a while, but I know you know really, really well, is the song called Blowing in the Wind. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, this next one, Somewhere There's a Forest, we did this as a song, as a school, a little while ago, but you may have noticed it was with slightly different words. Okay, we've got some words for you today to have a little listen through. Okay, and I know you know the chorus parts. There's some slight changes in some of the words as we go along. You can always go back later on maybe and have another little look at this one, and we'll be doing it again very soon in one of our singing practices too. So this is Somewhere There's a Forest. That was Somewhere There's a Forest. The next one was one that we did last time, and we introduced it, and it's called Wonderful Lord. And lots of you said to me that you really liked this one, and quite a lot of the teachers also said they really liked this one as well. So we've included it again today. This is Wonderful Lord.
Wonderful Lord, wonderful God, you are my shield, my protector. I can lie down, go off to sleep, knowing you're watching over me. Wonderful Lord, wonderful God, help me to trust you forever. I need not fear, 'cause you are near. I can lie down and sleep. Wonderful Lord, wonderful God, you are my shield, my protector. I can lie down, go off to sleep, knowing you're watching over me. Wonderful Lord, wonderful God, help me to trust you forever. I need not fear, 'cause you are near. I can lie down and sleep in peace. You are my shield, my protector. I can lie down, go off to sleep, knowing you're watching over me. Wonderful Lord, wonderful God, help me to trust you forever. I need not fear, 'cause you are near. I can lie down and sleep in peace. Wonderful Lord, wonderful God, you are my shield, my protector. I can lie down, go off to sleep, knowing you're watching over me. Wonderful Lord, wonderful God, help me to trust you forever. I need not fear, 'cause you are near. I can lie down and sleep in peace.
Really nice to hear that one again, boys and girls. And I know that you know this next one really, really well. I've missed hearing this one, because I know how you really sing this one out really nice and loud. And yeah, this one really reminds me of our singing assemblies. And I do miss it, so I'm looking forward to hearing you singing it today. This is A Better World. Boys and girls, just before we end with a prayer, I was really pleased to have another one of your super performances, your own musical performances, sent to me. I was especially pleased to receive this one, which came from Evan in Year 6, because not only is it a fantastic piece of music, London's Calling, Evan plays it and he really adds to the performance as well. So it was great to hear Evan. It was great to hear London's Calling by The Clash as well. Remember, if you want to send me yourself playing a musical instrument or even singing at any time, you can send that to me at any time or to Mr. Yates, and we'll include it in our future singing assemblies. Thanks for this one, Evan. Absolutely fantastic to hear that from Evan. Really great song choice as well. Thank you very much for sending that to us, Evan. We're going to end with a prayer, but it's a song that's a prayer. And this one is called Father, We Adore You. Okay. Thanks for joining in today, boys and girls, and thanks, Evan, for your contribution, and thanks, Mr. Yates, for helping to make this happen. Have a really good day, boys and girls, and we'll see you again very soon for some singing.